Welcome back to another picoGym workout exercise video. In this video, we'll be walking through the web exploitation challenge, Most Cookies. Let's get into it. Alright, enough of using my own encryption. Flask session cookies should be plenty secure. They give us a server.py and a website to connect to, so let's take a look at the website first. Welcome to my cookie search page, now with the best security. So of course, this is going to have something to do with cookies, so let's check out those first. We see that we have a session cookie, and it looks like a JWT token, as we've seen many times before in previous challenges. So let's just type in snickerdoodle, as the example shows. I love snickerdoodle cookies. And we can take this JWT token and decode it. We'll just go here and we'll paste this in. Okay, it looks like we have a very auth, and then it's inputting a value of snickerdoodle in where very auth is. All right. So with that information, let's take a look at server.py. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay, so there's an open flag, most cookies, cookie names, and it's setting a secret key to one of the cookies. So it's going to be a random cookie, so we got to figure out which cookie is the secret. And then let's see, very auth, if check equals blank, then render template index.html. Okay, so that's if we probably didn't search up a cookie. That default JWT token is probably set to blank. Then display, of course, displays the cookie information. All right, so essentially what we need to do is crack the JWT token to get our flag. And very auth is probably what we need to set to admin. As we can see down here, if check equals admin, then it will display the flag or flag web page. So we need to set very auth to admin, and we need to crack the JWT token so that we can actually set our little JWT session to trick it into thinking that we're admin. Basically session hijacking. So bearing that in mind, there's a nifty little tool called flask-tac-unsign, and you can install this utility by doing pip3 install flask-tac-unsign, like so. I already have it though, so let's take a look and see what we can do with it. All right, so we can unsign, we can sign. We definitely want to unsign to begin with because we're trying to crack the session signature, right? Decode the session's contents and write them to std out. Probably want to do that as well, potentially. But if we scroll down, here's secret and word list. So remember, our secret key is going to be one of these cookies. So we're going to want to go ahead and make a word list of all these. So we'll take this and copy it. Let's open up Notepad++, paste those in, and then we're going to just do a Control H. Let's replace the space or comma spaces with \ns. Make sure extended search mode is selected. Replace all. Okay, and then all we need to do is get rid of the double quotes. And there's our word list. So we'll copy this and we'll go back to our Kali box. Go ahead and maximize this. And we're going to do echo, and then we'll just paste that in and redirect the output into cookies.txt like so. Now we can start comprising our command. We want to do flask-tac-unsign, tag u for unsign, and then we want to, the easiest way to do this is actually to just get the flask-unsign utility to search the server for the cookie session itself. So let's just do that instead. And I'll grab that. Okay, then we're going to specify the word list, which is our cookies.txt, and we'll let that run. And it did crack it, found secret after 28 attempts, and it ended up being Ginger Snap. So using the same utility, we can actually recraft our cookie. So let's do that. Flask tac on sign, and then we'll do tac S for sign, right? And then we'll specify the cookie. It gives us the format for the cookie right here. So we'll just copy this and we'll surround that in double quotes, and we'll replace the blank with admin, right? Because we want to log in as admin. And I believe secret was tac secret or tac capital S, and then we'll just specify ginger snap. And I believe we don't need to actually do tac cookie. We can just do tac C for cookie. Press enter. And that should be our new JWT token we want to inject. So let's go back to our web page and let's replace the current session cookie with our new one. Save it and let's do a refresh. And there's our flag, pwn all the cookies. So we'll copy that, paste it in, and submit. All right, if you enjoyed the video, drop a like and subscribe to the channel to show your support. Turn on post notifications to get regular injections of cyber content directly into your feed. Check out our Patreon, join our Discord, and follow us on Twitter. Links in the description box down below. And leave any feedback or questions in the comment section down below. This is Almond Milk. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, world.